Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Forex.com application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, you will want to open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, just tap on the search box and then type in Forex.com and start your search. Once you find the Forex.com application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Forex.com application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open the application. And once the application is opened up, you can proceed with signing up to create a new account or logging in to your existing one to start using Forex.com right from your smartphone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Forex.com application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.